Running every day has many health benefits to offer. Running for just 5 to 10 minutes a day at a moderate pace can help reduce the risk of heart attacks, strokes, and other common diseases. While these benefits can be achieved with the minimum amount of daily running, a group of Dutch researchers recommends running 2.5 hours per week or 30 minutes a day, 5 days a week, to enjoy maximum longevity benefits. Some indicate that these benefits top off at 4.5 hours a week. In today's video, I'll share 14 mind-blowing benefits of running that will motivate you to get started and experience them for yourself. Make sure to stay tuned as I'll discuss important factors that will help you decide whether you should incorporate daily running into your routine. Coming up. Hello and welcome to another video. If this is your first time here and you want to achieve an optimal state of health within your mind and body with a little help from Mother Nature, start now by subscribing and clicking the bell so you don't miss any future uploads. 1. It improves your mood and lifts depression. If you're feeling depressed, 20 minutes of running can work like an antidepressant and lift your mood. The natural runner's high that you get from pounding the pavement is a proven benefit. Running can elevate your mood as it stimulates pleasure and reward receptors. This was supported by a study which indicates that running produces feel-good endorphins in the areas of the brain associated with emotion. Researchers found most people to be happier and more relaxed during and after runs. Running also triggers production of endocannabinoids, which make you happier and more focused. Besides the lean physique that comes with running on a regular basis, the physiological benefits of running are enormous. 2. You become more productive. Running improves mood and creativity independently of each other. It results in improved memorization and information retention. Your enhanced focus means you're not distracted easily, thus getting more done in less time. A study found that employees were happier and more efficient in the workplace on days they exercised. Their mood and performance were not observed on days they didn't exercise. This is a clear indication that these benefits will help equally in all areas of life. 3. Improved quality of sleep. With the newfound reservoir of positivity and creativity, running helps you sleep more easily and quickly. It also improves the time and quality of sleep. A 3-week study assessed a group of healthy adolescents who ran for 30 minutes at a moderate pace every morning. Researchers observed better sleep, mood and concentration ability during the day compared to a group of non-runners. 4. It's a stress reliever and calms the mind. Running prepares you to cope with daily stress and challenges without getting overwhelmed. This is because running can immediately reduce the activity in the frontal cortex. The same endorphins that produce runner's high also relieve stress and improve your mood. This makes running the simplest and healthiest way to break free from the daily grind. 5. Anxiety disorder and panic attacks. Running works to calm the nerves, provide moments of clarity, and relieve anxiety in daily life. Scientists have used the carbon dioxide test to determine the connection between anxiety sensitivity and physical activity. They found that more active people were less likely to feel anxious in fearful situations, even if they have anxiety sensitivity. 6. It improves insulin sensitivity. One review of studies noted that diabetic patients control blood sugar and depression better by incorporating regular exercise. Running for 30 minutes combined with warm-up and stretching can boost your metabolism for the next few hours. Your blood sugar will come down because your muscles will use the glucose or energy while running. 7. It gives you energy. Running will enhance your energy levels, and that ever-present tiredness will be replaced with a childlike enthusiasm. Fatigue is no longer a constant feature of your life. There is no shortage of energy while carrying out day-to-day tasks. 8. You feel more confident. Running will make you think highly of yourself. One review of 57 studies found that exercise boosts people's confidence and improves their body image. One study suggests that it can work as an effective tool to boost self-esteem in children and teenagers too. It is said that a 20-minute run is all you need. High energy levels also improve our confidence and, more importantly, our perceived attractiveness. 9. It improves your sex drive. Running can significantly improve testosterone levels in men, particularly with intensive interval running workouts. It can also improve the sperm count, while endurance training enhances reproductive potential. The benefits are not limited to men. Research has also shown that 20 minutes of vigorous running can also boost sexual arousal in women. 10. It makes you look younger. Earlier in this video, we have discussed that running can improve your perceived attractiveness, but it's not limited to perceptions. Running can actually improve your looks in many ways. Not only will you get back in shape, but running will give you a more upright posture that will add to your appearance. Your skin complexion also improves, as you'll be less likely to develop acne and pimples. 11. Lower risk of developing neurological diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. 12. Reduced risk of heart attack or stroke. 13. Running 7 to 14 miles a week can keep your cholesterol levels in check. 14. It regulates your blood pressure. Should I run every day? Running every day can be beneficial under certain circumstances. But daily pounding on your legs without incorporating recovery days can increase the risk of injury and burnout. Each runner is different, and based on ability level and experience, the answer to should I run every day depends on a few factors. How often we run should be determined by considering the duration of our runs, the intensity, and our fitness level. Another aspect of running, particularly if you're starting out, is allowing time to recover. Even taking one day off can give our body and mind the chance to do so. This is because our bodies go through a process of adaptation where physiological changes at the cellular level take place. This includes building more mitochondria and blood vessels, as well as making more blood and building stronger muscle fibers. This adaptation allows our mind and body to become more resilient over time. If we don't let our bodies recover, there is a chance of getting burnt out. Some athletes can get away with a short, easy-paced run as their recovery days. Others find that they do better with a true rest day. How often we run is also determined by our unique goals and needs. A person who manages their depression or anxiety by running every day has a different goal and need than a person who is training with a race or fitness goal in mind. That first person may need a daily run no matter what, but the second person may find that they need rest days in order to perform at their best. So there is no one-size-fits-all approach. You need to find a routine that works best for you, taking into account the factors mentioned earlier, then gradually tweaking your routine as you adapt to it physically and mentally. Are you a health nut? Join the Health Nut Hour today, subscribe to my channel and click on the bell notification, and I'll keep you updated on future videos. See you in the next one.